To use Afterpay on Expedia, start by visiting Expedia's website. If you don't already have an Expedia account, create one or log into your existing profile. Once logged in, take a look at the top of the screen where you'll find options to change the language, list a property, access support, view your trips, and manage your profile. In the middle of the screen, you'll find the search bar. To use Afterpay, go to the Afterpay website, which can be found by visiting its official link. On the Afterpay website, use the search bar to search for Expedia. Type Expedia into the search bar and click on the search result. This will take you back to the Expedia website, but this time, Afterpay will be highlighted at the top. From here, you can book your flights, hotels, or rental properties, and ensure that Afterpay is selected as your payment method. Continue the booking process as you normally would. By using Afterpay, you'll have the option to pay for your booking instantly, and you may also have the option to pay over time without interest. By following these steps, you can take advantage of Afterpay on Expedia. This process allows for easy booking and payment options for your travel needs.